Hello, hello. Just wanted to share my approach on my recent purchase of my Model Y Tesla. What I did is I went to the Tesla webpage, I went to pre-owned vehicles, view inventory. I scrolled through all of the pages here, and then I clicked over here and selected the data scraper tool. I think you can hit the next button and it'll actually run through the whole page, but you don't have to scroll all the way. I copied all of this into a Google Sheets file. I formatted the data so I had range, miles, and price. From there, I generated my own score based off of my own criteria. It's in a money sign. I don't know why, just disregard. And ChatGPT helped me create that formula. Basically, I wanted penalties for anything that was over $30,000, cars that had ranges below 315, and anything that had miles over 15,000. This is what gave me this score. This is the highest score out of all of them at that time that I was looking at cars. And it was this price, this miles, and it had this range on it. You can divide it by where it's located as well. If you get autopilot, what else it comes with, the color of the car, the wheels, etc., and like what's included in that as well. And I filtered it by long range all-wheel drive. This was the best vehicle according to my standards, and this is the car that I purchased. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks. Bye.